ang tinig ng maliit maririnig sa dagat. The voice of the small can be heard across the sea. Even though I am short, even though my shadow barely reaches the floor, my voice is a paddle in a waka. It cuts, it carves, it cascades across the water. It ripples, it reminds, it resonates. It can wake others. It can wake communities. Yet, a paddle alone does not steer our waka. If everyone paddles, but nobody really listens to the rhythm of the river, our waka wobbles. It drifts, and it may even capsize. Scroll through social media. Noise. Turn on the news. Noise. Step into a debate. Even more noise. Materongo ko muyo. Mate muyo ka matao. Mate matao ka marama. Mate marama kora. Through listening comes awareness. Through awareness comes knowledge. Through knowledge comes understanding. And through understanding comes well-being. In Aotearoa, our waka carries over 200 ethnic groups. Every paddler has a story, yet some voices are ignored. According to the Education Review Office, Maori learners are 2 to 3 times more likely to be suspended. Migrant youth report higher rates of feeling unsafe both at school and online compared to Pakeha peers. Listening? It's not just hearing words. It's understanding, and understanding, it's feeling the flow, noticing the nuance, and acknowledging the narrative. It allows us, individuals, to respond to the challenges of diversity. We see someone different from us, and what do? Instead of judging, we pause, we listen, we reflect. That is how empathy grows and isolation diminishes. From my mom, I learned, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. Those who do not look back where they come from will never reach their destination. Because listening, it's looking back. It's recognizing why every paddler is here. Their histories, their struggles, their resilience. Listening is what bridges that gap between us. Because globally, the stakes are even higher. According to the United Nations, Syrian refugees fleeing war are wrestled in communities where their voices aren't heard. 6 million have been displaced, and 90% have mental health issues due to isolation. When we actively listen, we unite ourselves across cultures, across continents, across generations. Epictetus once said that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we can listen twice as much as we speak. Maya Angelou said that people will forget what you said to them. People will forget what you did to them. But people will never forget how you made them feel. Because perspective taking, it's powerful. If we stop listening, paddlers stop paddling. Voices fade. Our waka, it drips. And that noise, it dominates. From my elders and cultural heritage, I learned that patience, perspective, and persistence are crucial. My Lola taught me to honor history. My parents modeled resilience in migration. It's through their actions that showed me how small but intentional efforts to make someone feel included will always be enough to reduce prejudice and ignorance. Leaders, you are the steerspeople of our waka. To keep it balanced, you must create space for all voices, including Maori, Pacifica, Filipino, and migrant voices in decision-making. Because let me tell you something. Systems that actively listen see measurable outcomes. As leaders, you must model curiosity, courage, consideration. Ask questions before assuming. Sit with discomfort and protect the dignity of those speaking. How many times have we said that we value diversity while ignoring the voices that make it real? How many times have we felt that we're connecting when really we're just splashing water all over the place, rocking other paddles? Hundreds of small realizations may surface now. Moments when you interrupted, you assumed, you dismissed, and you moved on too quickly. Moments when you realized, am I really paddling in sync with others? Or am I tipping the waka? Even as I speak, as I stand here, as 21 beautiful Langatai stand here, we have spent multiple 8 minutes to get to this point and share what we believe in. And those multiple 8 minutes will just be noise unless all of you choose to listen. Let me ask you, all of you, how many speeches have we heard on justice, unity, and inclusion? How many have moved you, really moved you? And how many have actually promoted change? Because, ladies and gentlemen, what I have here are earplugs. And if I give one to each and every one of you and I ask you to put them on, and I will stand here and scream, "Can you hear me? And can you understand me?" Your answer will probably be no. But regardless of whether you do or you don't, what matters is you try. Because nowadays, we don't. If you look around you, that very same person who's trying to understand me and hear me may not have done that to one person in their life before. Now, what I find funny is, why is it that we need something as small as earplugs to induce something as simple as trying? There is only one race, the human race, and that truth does not begin in textbooks or beliefs or traditions. It begins with us, in the quiet space of self-awareness where we choose to see beyond labels, beyond colors, beyond earplugs, and simply just view each other as humans. Because anti-racism, it grows through small but powerful habits. Asking questions before assuming, reflecting on our own biases before reacting to others. When listening and understanding becomes a routine in schools, in policies, in conversations, prejudice slowly loses its current. As a Filipino migrant, I know how it feels to paddle quietly at the back. My voice splashes, but often it was filtered. I was loud enough to be heard, but never understood enough to truly matter. I am loud. My voice is loud, and yours may be too, but the waka will never move forward when the loudest paddle strikes the water. Matserongo komoyo, matsemoyo kamato, matsemato kamarama, matsemarama kaora. Through listening comes awareness, through awareness, knowledge, and through knowledge comes understanding. And through that understanding, everyone, we row forward together. Thank you.